Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned. A good deal. Features also include sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third row seating, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2017 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.